Right, I've got the Hobby King Cub here, which I think floats to, but I'm going to test fly it, being sensible, on the ground, on the proper ground. I've got all the FP fitted, it works. It pans and it tilts, and it's DJI, well, Cadex air unit, same as DJI. So it's not bad down here. The wind is very light. It's just in the right direction to take off on this little bit of runway. This is a bit the smoothest bit, which would be enough. And gotta do some FPV. Hopefully, just waiting for a couple of others to turn up, and then we'll start having some fun. But I've been working on this all day. I've set up the Zud Copilot flight controller. That's all parameters are correct, and the stability mode is correct. Everything is correct. It's taken me quite a while to do that, so I've just got to fasten the two struts on the wing because I wasn't sure if it would fit my little car, but it's in. So can't wait. Balance the prop. That was way out of balance. I'm running this off a Molicel 3000 milliamp 4-cell pack. P30s. That's 18650 size. Should fly. I'm not going to fly it for about 6 minutes. I just want to test the plane flies right and the FPV is right and stuff like that. So hopefully video later. We'll see. thought I'd just explain my my goggles, what I've got here. I've got the goggles version 2, got the standard battery that comes with it. That's my head tracker I made from an Arduino board. It runs off this battery. There's 2 cables in here. One of them plugs into the goggles to the battery, the other one runs from my transmitter training port to a port on here, or that side actually, and that will run the head tracking. So just wait for them to get here, we'll see what happens. And I've got these iFlight Crystal decent set of antennas for best range. This is the first time I used my air unit. I've had it about 3 years, so I've got a 03 and I've got 2 Vistas, so this is the 4th one. I don't really need it anymore at the moment, so see how it goes. Anyway, catch you soon. And here on the Zod board, you can see the little red light flashing there. That's acquiring satellites in a minute, so once that has got satellites, I'm ready to fly. It goes solid when it's done. There you are, got it, already got satellites. Marvellous. Just a little explanation, right? There's the head tracker in the red heat shrink there. I've got that cable running there, that runs all the way into this elbow joint in my transmitter, so that's easy to fit. And there's the battery that powers the goggles, and that's pretty much it for the connection. Oh, this battery here is a 2-cell battery. Don't have to, it can be smaller than this because it hardly uses any current, but that powers the head tracker. Yeah, just plug it in when you're ready. Just waiting for mate to arrive and then we'll fly. Hope you see you soon. Right, just flew it, and there was some drama. I accidentally, inadvertently took off in stability mode. Then I wondered why the ailerons were a bit lame, but it was flying okay. It was flying beautifully, in fact. You'll see on the video that there was a bit of drama when I selected normal mode. That's like of the 3 modes, got stability, return home, and normal mode. And when I did that, it just nosedived. I have no idea why. And the CFG, if anything, is slightly behind where it should be. I set all the controls up neutral on manual mode. Obviously stability mode works, so I'm a bit flummoxed by this, but anyway, I had a really dodgy approach because I had no aileron. It wandered off to the left. I managed to get it right and got it back on the ground, so I'm pretty happy with that. So I'm going to go and check what milliamp is left in my 3000 milliamp P30 Molicel lithium ion, and gauge how long I can fly for in the future. So I don't think I'll be flying this off water for a little while until I've figured out this problem with the manual mode and it diving. It was literally uncontrollable. Anyway, it's back safe, so that's all good.